What's up, guys? We're gonna BroBeatzTV, and today I got something special to show y'all. So I'm gonna just skip the intro and I just want to get into this. I want it to be very brief, but what I want to show you and what you're looking at here is actually an FL Studio beta or alpha, whichever way. It's kind of a mix, and pretty much what's coming hopefully to FL Studio is themes. They're finally coming after, I don't know, 10 plus years of asking. So if you go up here to options and then you go to, I believe it's general settings, and if you scroll all the way down, everything looks a little different. And I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check this out yourself. Now, if you want to make a project in here, I would say don't do that because there are bugs and I don't want you to make a project you really like and then it mess up or whatever. But you know, do what you want to do. But you know, scroll down and then you can go to themes, and then what you'll have is this box, and then from here you can start to edit. Now it is very, very early. You can tell it's not very like exact. You can't really change exact things. As you can see, if I change the saturation, you'll see it kind of changes the whole thing, right? But it's a step in the right direction, right? You can change the brightness, etc., the contrast, the text, right? And now we can kind of just customize FL Studio the way we like it. Of course, this needs some work. And then you can like edit the meters, right? So when it's peaking, you can kind of edit that color if you want to. I probably should just keep it the same, probably like super red up here. You can do the steps. So these right here, you can change. You can see they change up there and so on, everything else so on. But yeah, this is a step in the right direction. There's some other things as well. So I just have like these presets. I know a lot of people will do the all black, and then I just have a white one here, but we're gonna use the default because it's just a little cleaner on the eyes. Okay, so great thing that's coming. The other thing that I noticed, now there's a lot of things in the update that they have added, but the thing that would help me is they have this search. They kind of redid the browser, so they have a search. So if you type in like your name or all your kits and stuff will pop up, and you can search by folder. So you can see I'm in this folder. You can search like a name for something and it'll instantly pop. It's literally instant, right? And I think that's amazing. And one other thing for people that like having stashes, you don't need to do that anymore. You don't need to make stash kits, because what you can do is, if you see here, you can favorite your favorite sounds and they'll pop up in a folder for you, or like a search place for you. All right. And then if you look down here, okay, they have this thing where you could, I think, where is it? Play full sample. So it'll play the full sample, and you can see you have a little volume now. So I think that's just some quality of life things that you can kind of expect in the update, and hopefully there's a lot more. And one other thing, you can change the color now. Okay, so you can change the color of pretty much everything that you want to change the color of. So all your kits and folders, you can change the color of them. I'm not gonna do that because I like the way it is now, and also the icon. Okay, all right, so there's some things I forgot to kind of mention, and that was that they do have this library thing. Now the reason I wanted to show this is because maybe now, right, and I won't use these, but maybe the way this is set up is how in the future your kits could look when you make your own kits, and you can have your kit art and it could just look really nice. And then also if you favorite something, right, it'll show up down here. You probably can't see that because the stuff is in the way. But if you go to starred, you can access those files. Now this is post cookup. I'm gonna cut the video here and I'll post a cookup another time. I just want this video to be strictly about just this topic. And then the next video, I'll just kind of post that as a cookup for people that want to see that. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. Hopefully FL actually keeps these changes and improves them, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.